teachers, my dear friends present here on this wonderful Thursday. I am Tanish Rane from 3rd A. It is an honor and privilege to welcome all of you at an amazing event, Teen Week! And our topic is plants. Plants play a very important role in our lives. They provide us food, clothing, shelter, medicines and most importantly, oxygen. Plants keep air fresh and clean. We can't imagine our lives without plants. Let's start our session with a big round of applause for our participants. Our first participant is Maranita.
Good morning teachers and my dear friends. Myself Varnita Umesh Kalikar. Plants are very important in our life. They are our nature friends. So today I am talking about indoor plant, the Cursula. This plant is called as silver red plant because of their round grey color leaves. It blooms in winter. This is a shrub type of plant. It can be grown in our house because this plant need not require much sunlight and water. There are so many types of Cursula plants in the world. It is also called as money plant. It gives positive effects and would help the environment to our house. Thank you.
Very good, Paranita. Our next participant is Meera.
Hello everyone, I am Meera Chitnis from grade 3rd A. I study in BPIS. Today my topic is non-toxic indoor plants. Plants not only add color but many house plants also have air purifying properties. They are non-toxic so your pet and kid will be safe even if they tend to nibble on the decor. These are some examples of non-toxic indoor plants. Christmas cactus. Christmas cactus is blooming indoors about Christmas time. Boston fern. Boston fern is a popular to decorate the balconies and houses. African violet. African violets are produce clusters of white, blue or purple flowers. Peperomia. Peperomia plants are normally have sturdy stems and many fleshy leaves. Baby steers. Baby steers is charming house plant that form rich green leaves that grow horizontally over flat surfaces. Spider plant. Spider plant is so named because it dangles down from the mother plant like spiders on a web. Prayer plant. Prayer plant has spreading leaves that turn upwards towards evening, seemingly in prayer for evening whispers. Parlor palm. Parlor palm prefers low light and may actually suffer in direct sunlight. Plants give us oxygen for the lungs and the soul. Thank you.
Our next participant is Viha.
Good morning viewers. I am reporter Viha Mehta from class 3rd A BPIS channel. Today, as we all know, in this pandemic, the importance of oxygen level in our body. But because of this lockdown, especially we kids and senior citizens are not allowed to step out of the house. So from where do we get fresh air if we are not allowed to go in the gardens where there are more trees? My dear friends, don't worry. I had came up with a research that can solve your problem. There are many indoor plants such as aloe vera, money plant, croton, rubber plant, snake plant, spider plant, etc. which purifies air and maintains oxygen level in our body. But there is a big breaking news. During my research, I had came across one miracle plant, that is snake plant. जी हाँ दोस्तों, snake plant. Snake plant gives us oxygen 24 hours and absorbs carbon monoxide from air. You can keep this plant in any corner of your house, even in your bedroom also. You don't have to worry much about the maintenance of this plant. It just needs soggy soil, water, vermicompost, and proper sunlight. I hope you all like my research. Meet you in another episode with another research. Till that, stay home, stay safe. अलविदा दोस्तों. BPIS चैनल से रिपोर्टर बीहा मेहता with cameraman Zoom. Thank you.
Our next participant is Arya.
Good morning everyone. I am Arya Mahagaonkar and today I will speak about plants that purify air and tips that how to take care of indoor plants. Plants act as natural filters for the air. They purify the air by taking in carbon dioxide and giving out oxygen. This process is called photosynthesis. Here are some plants that can purify the air. Spider plant, peace lily, snake plant, etc. We should take care of indoor plants. Here are some tips. Water the plants regularly. Give them proper sunlight. Fertilize the plant every 2 to 3 weeks. Do not keep the plants near air vents. Remove the dust from the plants. Thank you.
Our next participant is Dhyana.
Honorable Principal, respected teachers and my dear friends, today I, Dhyana Mahindra Parekh, has been got a wonderful chance by excellent team of teachers of our school to create an effect and remedies of toxic plants present around us. Toxic plants are the plants that touch or ingested in sufficient quantity can be harmful to an organism. These vary according to the level of toxicity. Some examples of toxic plants. White snake root. White snake root is a North American plant with flat-top clusters of small white flowers and contains toxic alcohol called tramadol. Castor bean. Widely grown castor bean is an attractive plant native to Africa. Its seeds produce castor oil. It is poisonous in nature. There are seasonal toxic plants which produce toxins in limited quantity and in specific seasons. Toxic plants should be kept at distance from children and animals. Peace lily. Peace lily is a very popular plant which purifies the air inside the home, but they are toxic to cats and dogs, so they should be kept at a higher shelf. Remedies for person who comes in contact of toxic plants. Rinse the skin with rubbing alcohol. Rinse frequently with detergent. Rinse the skin with a lot of water. Oatmeal baths may also relieve itching. Though there are remedies, but it is smart to keep away and safe distance with these plants. And also thank you for giving me this topic for Theme Week. So stay home, stay safe.
Our next participant is Avika.
Good morning everyone, I am Avika Mardi from 3rd A. I study in Bombay Presidency International School. Today I will explain you about toxic plants. Do you know
What are the toxic plants? A toxic plant is a poisonous plant which is harmful to an organism or a plant, evoking a toxic reaction. Poisoning occurs from eating, touching the plants, and pets drinking water from the plant's spray. Examples of toxic plants are caladium and oleander. Some ways to reduce exposure of toxic plants are: first, keep toxic plants out of the reach to children and pets. Second, label the pots with toxic plants. Third, wear hand gloves while handling the toxic plants and wash immediately after touching the toxic plants to avoid any skin irritation. Thank you all.
Principal ma'am, teachers, and my dear friends. Myself Arush from 3rd A. Today I will tell you about some medicinal herbs that can be grown at home. There are many such herbs like tulsi, aloe vera, lemongrass, mint, etc. Today I will tell you about some medicinal herbs which I have grown. It is called the queen of herbs. Its extract is used to cure headache, cold, cough, malaria, indigestion, and many more diseases. Many people eat tulsi leaves every day or take it as a herbal tea. Aloe vera. The sap from aloe vera is extremely useful to speed up the healing of wounds, cuts, burns, and reduces the risk of infection. It is also used in many medicines and beauty products. Lemongrass. It has innumerable therapeutic and other health benefits. It is very beneficial for nervous and stress-related conditions. It is useful for all types of pains such as headache, sore throat, abdominal pain, joint pain, muscle cramp, and others. It tastes very good and refreshing when used in tea. Curry leaves. Curry leaves are a popular seasoning in Indian cuisine. It has many health benefits and nutrients which are very beneficial for our heart, hair, and skin. This plant can easily be planted and grows with minimum maintenance. So, we all should do our bit and grow some herbs at home which are good for our health and surroundings. Thank you.
Good morning, respected principal ma'am, teachers, and all my dear friends. I am Rishikesh Adya from BPIS school in 3rd A class. Today I will say some lines for theme week. My topic is medicinal herbs which can be planted at home. Do you know what is this plant? Yes, it is tulsi plant. This is only my today's topic. Worshipping tulsi plant is a practice followed religiously by our ancestors from generations. Our ancestors knew about the healing properties of this plant and thus people planted a tulsi at home. Let us know the benefits of this plant. It can cure many diseases such as indigestion, sinusitis, gastric disorder, cramps, ulcers, arthritis, diabetes, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and malaria. People are coming back to their roots and surely that's a good sign. Thank you.
Good morning, everybody. When you plant a tree, it means you believe in tomorrow. A garden is a friend whom we can visit anytime. I am Samajit Kavi from Standard 3A and today I shall be talking about terrace garden is also called a roof garden. It is a garden which you can grow on your terrace, rooftops and even your balconies. You can grow your own fruits, vegetables, herbs and flowers. There are many benefits of having a terrace garden. It helps in reducing the indoor temperature by 6 to 8 degrees. You get safe, pesticide-free and healthy green vegetables. It increases the amount of oxygen in the air. It helps in harvesting the rainwater and gives the home a beautiful look. There's a proverb, life begins the day you start a garden. So begin your life today by planting a terrace garden. Thank you.
Today I will going to present importance of terrace gardening. Your mind is a garden your thoughts and seeds. You can grow flowers or you can grow weeds. Everybody likes to go into the garden, but in urban cities, where it is a place to do garden, at such time the concept of terrace garden has become very popular at providing much needed greenery to the cities. So here is our terrace garden. The terrace garden is a garden that is on a terrace of a building. It is completely man-made, using flower pot, various size and shapes. Can keep large vegetables, fruits, shrubs and also herbs. So first to stay calm, it helps us to stay fit. It reduces indoor temperature. It increases oxygen level. It acts as a habitat for cities' various birds. It makes children to know and grow our plants. You can keep your own fruits and vegetables. It makes us mental and physical health. This is very best and best way to start making your own terrace garden. Very well, thank you, ma'am.
Our next participant is Shlok.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Shlok Pawar from grade 3A. Friends, last year I went to Kerala. There I visited Spice Garden. In Spice Garden, I saw many different types of spices, plants, and I also learned the health benefits of spices. So today I am going to share the health benefit of spices with you. Spices helps in boosting immunity, helps to improve skin and hair, helps to control diabetes, fight infections, improve digestion and regulates metabolism, improves brain function and many more. Now I am going to show you some spices. This is cumin seeds and this is black pepper. Cumin seeds and black pepper are good for digestion and weight loss. This is cinnamon and this is coriander seeds. Cinnamon and coriander seeds lower the blood sugar and it's good for skin. This is cloves, this is turmeric. Cloves and turmeric are antibacterial properties. This is cardamom. Cardamom is antioxidant properties. Spices plays an important role in our life, so use proper amount of spices in our day-to-day life. Thank you.
Our next participant is Pushkar.
Good morning, respected teachers and my dear friends. Myself, Pushkar Pandade from Standard 3rd A. Today I am going to tell you something about spices. Now I will show you the actual spices. These are some spices that we commonly use in our daily food. This is called asafoetida and this is called coriander seeds. This is called cinnamon. This is called black pepper. This is called mustard seeds. This one is turmeric. This one is cumin seeds. And this one is red chilli. This one is chakraful. This one is cardamom. This is called cloves. These spices are to be stored in the airtight container in the dry place. Most spices need to be dry roasted to release their essential oil before being ground into spices mix. Spices are commonly used for cooking in India. Spices are very useful for our health. Also adding spices gives color, taste and flavors in our food. Spices gives number of health benefits to us. So I will say add spices in your food. Keep your health always good. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Yani Jansha. I am in 3rd standard. Today I am going to tell you about toxic plant. Toxic plant means poisonous plant. Poisonous plant is defined as a plant that when touched can be harmful. Some poisonous plants are deadly nightshade, oleander, rosary pea, tobacco, water hemlock. The plants cannot defend themselves as easily. because they cannot move. Some plants have thorns, spikes, and poison oil. The most common poisonous plants are poisonous ivy and poisonous oak. These plants are found in all types of environments, but mainly in wooden areas with shade. People who come contact with these plants will easily get rashes on their skin. Few signs are possible of the poison plant are milky shape, naturally shiny leaves, plants that have berries. Cascavella tavitea is the most common poisonous plant in India. Some beautiful plants also can be toxic. Thank you.
I request Vedanshi to give a thank you note. Very good morning from Vedanshi Rakesh Jadhav, Standard 3rd Math, teachers and all my dear friends. It is my privilege to have been asked to propose a vote of thanks speech. I would like to congratulate all the students who got selected for the presentation and acknowledge the efforts taken by students and their parents who worked hard for making this wonderful presentation happen. I would like to thank all the teachers for having such theme week activity and making us aware the importance of plants in our life and how even small indoor plants can help us getting health benefits and add beauty in surroundings. I would also like to thank all my friends who maintain discipline and make this program successful. Once again, I would like to thank all the participants for giving such a wonderful presentation. And thank you. Keep distance, wash your hands,